Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about my experience with the Head & Shoulders Anti-Dandruff Treatment and Scalp Care Classic Clean Shampoo. My whole life people have commented about my thick wavy hair, which I'm proud of, but one thing that they don't know is that I struggle with having a dry scalp. And it's something that's pretty embarrassing if I'm walking around with flakes on my shoulders, if I'm wearing a darker shirt. It's just kind of embarrassing. So that's where Head & Shoulders comes in to save the day for me. The rich lathering formula delivers proven protection from flakes, itch, oil, and dryness. And it is brought to you by America's #1 dandruff shampoo brand. The formula that they use is safe enough for everyday use, even for color treated hair, so I make sure to use it every day in the shower. It's the perfect step in your daily hair care routine, so you can start every day with your head held high. Regular use of Head & Shoulders anti-dandruff products nourish your scalp 3 surface layers deep to prevent dryness, flakes, and itch associated with dandruff. The Head & Shoulders collection includes clarifying shampoos, volumizing conditioners, and 2-in-1 combos, so you can introduce dandruff treatment into every step of your hair care routine. And then I leave the house with confidence, knowing that I'm gonna look and feel great and I'm not gonna have any embarrassing dandruff throughout my day. I'm kind of sensitive with smells, especially when it comes to my hair. That's another reason I really love Head & Shoulders Classic Clean. It's a subtle scent, not too strong at all. If I were to boil it down into like 2 words, it would just be clean and fresh. Head & Shoulders comes in a variety of scents and formulas. I'd have to say my favorites are the tea tree oil, the lemon extract, and of course the Classic Clean. My hair's pretty wavy, even curly sometimes if I let it. The Head & Shoulders formula is safe to use on curly hair, all different hair types, even color treated hair. I leave the house feeling confident and ready to go every day thanks to Head & Shoulders. I have enough to worry about throughout my day, and I'm glad that a dry, itchy scalp isn't one of them.